everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, mentions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. We talk about the property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various maintenance and cleaning policies. For starting, you can book through the link provided in the description. Safety, happy.